Ella!
Stella!
Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. Melbourne's in lockdown again. Half my mates in England's got the Rona. I've got the shingles. So we're gonna treat ourselves today. Have something a bit more fancy.
Of course you can, fancy pants.
So I hope you enjoy it. Here's a nice little scallop dish for you. Let's get you started.
Yes, get on with it!
All right. Jus to start. Bottle of wine. Splash for yourself. Pour it in a pan. Bring it to the boil and set that shit on fire. Some girl shit. Reduce your wine down to around a third of what you had to start with. Add in your stock and let it reduce again. For the prosciutto, real easy. Pop it on a baking tray, pop it in the oven for around 15 minutes. It'll come out dark and still slightly soft, but allow it to rest and it'll crisp up perfectly. With TUILE, it's like a shit pancake. So it's 90 grams of water, 10 grams of flour, about a quarter of a teaspoon of chili powder just to give it some sort of flavour, and a dash of red food colouring. Basically you're cooking it like a pancake as well. Hot pan with some oil in, pop the batter in until the moisture fries out of it. Lift it up, let it rest, and you've got a perfect TUILE. For your purees, chop your veg, pop it in a pan, cover it with water, let it boil. For the carrot puree, we're using orange, so we'll squeeze the juice out. We're gonna zest it first and keep that. Squeeze the juice in and add the water on top. Pop the oranges in just to get as much flavour as possible out of it, and let it boil as well. For both purees, we're going to drain them and add the water bit by bit so we can judge how moist it is and how thin we want the puree to be. We're going to pass it through a sieve back into the pan, so we're going to reheat it again. In all honesty, that was far too much for this dish. However, I will use it again tomorrow. You don't have to make that much. Black pudding. I know a lot of people won't want to use this, but you could use any other sausage you want. Chop it up, put it in the pan, fry it. Simple as. Biggest rule with scallops, make sure they're clean, because you'll get flecks of shell on there. Scallops. Now these are the thinnest scallops I've ever seen in my life.
Flat. It's so flat.
So give me a break, it's a 5k radius at the minute, alright? So we'll just deal with it. Cooking your scallops. Pan on.
Oh, but fuck me!
Yes, chef!
So big!
Hot. Oil. Salt flakes. Salt on the side that you're going to put into the pan. So you want to see a little bit of smoke coming off the pan?
Scallops in. Flip. Butter. Vinegar. Thanks for watching that, team. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm ready for the next challenge, so fuck you all.